In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use depth of market in MetaTrader 5. By the end, you'll know what the depth of market window shows, how to open it, how to place a quick market order, and how to set pending orders right from that panel. Depth of market, or DOM, is essentially the order book for a trading symbol. It lays out where buy and sell orders are stacked at different prices, so you can gauge where liquidity sits and how the market might react as price moves. Think of it as a live snapshot of interest on both sides of the market. One important note: in some markets, especially spot forex, your broker may not stream full order book depth. If that's the case, the DOM can still function as a fast, convenient trading panel, even if you don't see a rich ladder of prices. To open the depth of market window, you have a few choices. From the Market Watch panel, right-click the symbol you want to trade and choose Depth of Market. If you're already looking at a chart, you can right-click directly on that chart and select Depth of Market there as well. And if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Alt+B to bring it up instantly. Once it's open, confirm you're on the correct symbol before placing any orders. If the latter looks sparse, that's normal with some brokers. You can still interact with price from this panel. For quick trades at the current price, start by setting your volume at the top of the DOM window. This is your lot size, so choose it carefully to match your risk. When you're ready, click Buy to execute at the current ask, or click Sell to execute at the current bid. The order goes through immediately, according to your platform settings. This is the fastest way to open or close a position when speed matters and you want minimal friction. You can also place pending orders directly from the DOM so they trigger only when price reaches your chosen level. For a buy limit, place it in the bid area below the current price. For a buy stop, place it in the ask area above the current price. For a sell limit, place it in the ask area above the current price. And for a sell stop, place it in the bid area below the current price. Once price touches that level, the order becomes active and executes accordingly. Set your volume before placing the order, double-check the side and price, and you're set. That's it. You now know how to open DOM, trade instantly, and set pending orders efficiently in MetaTrader 5.